This is Michael with O'Connell Landscape, and I'm here today doing a little bit of prep work with a FX Luminaire demo kit for a light demo that I'm going to be doing a little bit later on this evening, and just want to show how this process works and the nice slick setup that FX has. So right now what we have here is the FX Luxor transformer, and this transformer is a zoning dimming transformer. So what that allows us to do is, all off of the same wiring cable you can see coming out of the transformer, we can group groups of fixtures together and turn those on selectively. So let's say we only want to have a pathway light on, we can have those come on. If we only want to have a bullet up light come on in a group, we can set those to their own circuit or group. And so we can zone different behaviors and different light groupings, so really doing smart, intelligent lighting. The other neat thing about this FX ZD system is that it's a zoning and dimming system. So each one of these demo fixtures, say for example this guy right here, that's a in-ground 9 LED light. So that goes all the way up to their 9 LED, which is a high output light, and then we can dim that all the way down to be something more like a 1 LED or a 3 LED. So we can modulate and adjust the light quality. And of course it's daytime, so you can see it's kind of hard to see that light coming out of here. But they've got a real neat system with FX how they do this here. So they've got some strip leads that allow us to connect up these demo fixtures, and then we can run our cables out in the field and do that. So you can see that here. Then they've got the rest of the kit here where we've got our other demo fixtures that we can set up out in the field. And then what this allows us to do is, especially on larger light installations, it allows us to come in and really model what that's going to look like, doing uplights in trees, doing pathway lights, things of that sort. So we have a little bit more of a feel of what things are going to look like before we get them out on site. It's one thing to see them on paper, but it's another thing to actually see those lights out in the field. So that's a little overview of this FX Luminaire demo kit.